Another treatment that we have is the low-level laser therapy. This therapy is available in the form of comb or laser helmets. These are devices that can be kept at home and used at home very conveniently. The advantage of this therapy is that you do not have to come to the clinic again and again, such as you have to come for GFC. These are devices that you can very conveniently use at home on a daily basis. However, we do not have any scientific evidence that they work. Some of my patients have told me that they have derived certain benefit from it. So there is no harm in using these products. However, I would recommend don't use them as a standalone treatment. Use them along with some other effective treatments such as minoxidil. Another treatment that is very popular nowadays is microneedling. People use a derma roller at home as well. So this is a device that is freely available. It can be used at home. It is a small roller that has got multiple needles on it, and it is supposed to be run in the hair such that the needles penetrate the scalp a little bit. Micro needling or derma roller do definitely have a benefit as far as the skin part is concerned. They are used on the skin for the skin tightening. But as far as hair is concerned, we don't have any scientific evidence that they work. It is very, very popular. A lot of my patients use it and then come to us. But in my experience, what I have seen is that using a derma roller many a times causes hair breakage and can cause your hair to become even more rough. So always remember, whenever you're taking any treatment or any kind of therapy, always ask your dermatologist before using it, because many of these treatments can have some kind of side effects as well. The last treatment that I'm going to talk about is hair transplant. So all the treatments that I've talked about till now were basically about increasing the hair volume and density in areas which already have hair. However, if there is a certain area that has lost all the hair, or the hair are extremely thin, the hair are so thin that we cannot revive them using the above therapies, in that case, hair transplant is recommended. So what is a hair transplant? It is a surgical process in which roots are taken from one part of the body and implanted into another part of the skin wherever there is extreme hair loss. The process is done under local anesthesia. Hair transplant is a very, very safe surgery as long as you get it done from a qualified doctor who has a vast experience and from a certified clinic. Hair transplant gives very good results. Usually the results come after about 8 to 10 months. Like I said, hair transplant is done for areas that have very little or no hair, whereas the treatments that I talked about earlier can be done if there is hair, but just that it has become slightly thin. Many of my patients also ask me about home remedies, whether onion juice works, whether rice water works. Friends, there is no proven scientific studies that these treatments work. A lot of my patients tell me that after using some of these therapies, their hair did become more dry, whereas some people say that they have obtained some benefit. So I would not suggest that you experiment with your hair. In fact, all the therapies that I have mentioned in my video, I always say that you must consult a dermatologist and do any kind of hair treatment under the guidance of a dermatologist so that you only get benefit out of the treatments and don't have to face any side effects. So friends, I hope you liked the video and found it informative. There are a lot more informative videos on my channel specifically about hair. So do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever there is a new video coming up, you will be notified about it. Thank you.